Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage feeds on threads. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Meta's Threads has introduced a feature that long's been a part of Bluesky, namely custom feeds. Now, rolling out to all Threads users after a brief test, custom feeds allow you to compile a list of multiple accounts in one shot, typically all devoted to a specific theme or subject. The idea is to offer quick and easy access to related account that might not necessarily appear in the For You or volume feeds currently not altogether. On my previous video, I'll show you how to create your feeds on threads, but now how if you want to manage it, if you have too many feeds and now we want to manage it, reorder the leads. It's very simple. So first of all, first we have to open our threads. Now you can go to the feed section by tap on the up left corner here on the two lines over here. As you can see in here, I have 4 feeds on my threads and I want to manage it. You can just tap on the pencil icon in here beside the plus icon. In here, you can create new feed, or you can, if you want to manage the list, you can just tap and drag to reorder your feeds. Maybe for example, you want to make this feeds on the top of your feeds section. You can just tap and hold and slide it like this. It's very simple, right? And also for the others. And if you want to edit your feeds, maybe you want to add more topics on the feeds, you can just tap on the feeds that you want to edit. You can add profile or topics, or you can also change the name. Like this, I will add this one. Can add another account, tap on next. So now you have, just tap on done. So that is, if you want to create new one, you can just tap on create new feeds and you can follow the step like on my previous video how to create the feeds. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage feeds on threads. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.